Okay, be honest, how many times this week have you hovered over your phone debating between Thai or tacos for the third time in a row? Yeah, same here. It's 7 p.m., you're tired, and the idea of cooking something from scratch sounds like climbing Mount Everest. You scroll through takeout, find something kinda okay, wait 45 minutes, spend $25 on something that tasted meh, and then you've got a greasy bag, a bloated stomach, and a side of guilt for dessert. That's basically the modern dinner dilemma. But what if we told you right here in 2025 you can ditch the greasy, overpriced takeout cycle and not become a full-blown chef either? All thanks to this magical thing that's probably already sitting in your Amazon cart, the air fryer. Yes, you can have crunchy fries, crispy wings in just a few minutes. So let's talk about why the air fryer might be the most useful thing you could add to your kitchen this year. Seriously. So why is an air fryer so awesome? It's like a tiny convection oven that cooks food fast with hot air, giving you that fried crunch without a vat of oil. It's super simple to use, even if you burn toast on the regular. And in 2025, air fryers aren't just one-trick ponies. These are all about making your life easier. Take this Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer for example. This thing is perfect if you're tight on space or just hate clutter. It's got a 1500-watt power pod that snaps onto glass containers. Yep, glass. So it's PFAS-free and safe for your family. You get two sizes, a 6-cup one for solo meals and a 4-quart for feeding the crew. It can go from freezer to crispy in minutes, and the containers double as storage with leak-proof lids. Imagine cooking a batch of wings, popping a lid on the leftovers, and tossing it in the fridge. No extra dishes. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze. The nesting design means it tucks away neatly, which is a lifesaver for small kitchens. Then there's another one, which is from Philips. It's a dual basket air fryer. If you're cooking for a picky family or just love variety, this one's your jam. It has 2 drawers, a big 6-liter one for mains like a pile of fries or a whole chicken, and a smaller one for sides or snacks. You can cook 2 dishes at once, at different settings, and they'll be done together. You don't have to juggle oven trays. It's got presets for everything from fish to cake, so you don't need to guess the temperature. And the Home ID app, it's like having a chef buddy with step-by-step recipes tailored to this fryer. It's perfect for when you want a full meal without the chaos. And you know what? Cleanup's a snap too. Especially with models like the Ninja Crispy where everything's dishwasher safe, or the Philips with its non-stick drawers. No scrubbing, no stress. Money-wise, air fryers are a no-brainer. A solid one, like the Cosori or Philips, runs $100 to $200. Compare that to $1,200 a year on takeout, and you're saving big in just months. They're also energy efficient, using less power than your oven, so your electric bill won't spike. It's like investing in your kitchen and budget at the same time. But here's what we love most. Air fryers make cooking fun again. Remember when you used to get excited about trying a new recipe? Takeout kills that vibe. It's the same old menu, the same old flavors. With an air fryer, you're the chef and the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with global flavors, think butterfly air-fried salmon or crispy tofu tacos without needing a culinary degree. And if you mess up, no biggie. You didn't spend an hour or a fortune, so you try again tomorrow. Now we know what you're thinking. Do I really need another kitchen gadget? Fair question. But unlike that spiralizer collecting dust in your cabinet, an air fryer actually delivers. It's not about replacing your stove or oven, it's about making your life easier. Imagine coming home, tossing some frozen shrimp in the air fryer with a little garlic and lemon, and having dinner ready in 10 minutes. No pots, no pans, no stress. That's the kind of magic that keeps you from defaulting to takeout when life gets hectic. Before we wrap up, let's address the skeptic in you. Maybe you're worried air fryers are a fad. Nope. They've been around for over a decade, and brands like Ninja and Cosori keep innovating with smarter, faster models. Or maybe you're thinking you don't have time to learn a new tool. Trust me, if you can't work a microwave, you can handle an air fryer. Most models come with recipe books or apps to get you started. And if you're still on the fence, think about this. Every time you choose your air fryer over takeout, you're saving money, eating better, and reclaiming a little piece of your day. That's worth a shot, right? So next time you're scrolling through takeout, hungry and indecisive, maybe pause for a second, walk over to your counter, open the air fryer. You might find your answer inside. A crispy, hot, delicious answer that didn't cost $25 and 45 minutes. I mean, dinner in 10 minutes from your freezer with no guilt? That's not just cooking, that's freedom. So that's all about our take on the air fryer. If this helped you rethink your next takeout order, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart kitchen tips. Got a favorite air fryer recipe or a question? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.